Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Do you make questionable crepes? Well, this is why you need this crepe pan. I once made questionable crepes and now I'm a step up to quirky crepes. And that is because I have this amazing crepe pan. I am going to get better. I just know it. This crepe pan has given me hope. It's so much easier at making crepes because it's easy to flip. If you can see the rim around this crepe pan, it's so easy to actually get under the crepe and flip it when it's supposed to be flipped. The crepes are supposed to be thin. I was never able to make them super thin because I had a regular pan, but this has a flat surface so the batter spreads really easily on it, and it's a non-stick surface. I really needed that. So I am definitely excited about this crepe pan. Another feature I love is that it has a handle that has a grippy material so that when you're turning your pan to try to get the crepe batter around or just lifting it up to try to get underneath the crepe, it's not going to fall out of your hand. So maybe, I don't know, maybe you've had a crepe while making a crepe and your fingers are a little buttery or they've got jam on them from the last crepe you were eating, and now you don't have to worry about that because you have a grippy handle. It's amazing. You're going to love this crepe pan. I know that I do, and that's my point of view.